When you see these shoes, you probably see a movie, but I see unrecognized potential. We have an article we share with our patients called The Bigness Within You. And I love it because it reminds us of something that's easy to forget. The title, by the way, gives a nod to this book here, written by B.J. Palmer over 75 years ago. The Bigness of the Fellow Within. Here it is in a nutshell. There is something big within you. It's a bigness that organizes life, a bigness that took 2 cells at conception and built you into 37 trillion. Think about that, from 2 to trillions. We chiropractors call this bigness the innate intelligence. It organizes, it coordinates, it adapts, heals, and regulates. You didn't have to think your heart into existence. Just like you don't need to remind your body to digest food, heal cuts, fight infection, or coordinate movements. Your innate intelligence does this each and every single day. That is the bigness within you. But we forget. We forget just how big it is. And when we forget, we tend to treat it small. We wait until something hurts. We ignore its early signals. We chase the symptom instead of strengthening the system. But your bigness deserves more than small attention. It needs a clear pathway. You must understand, your innate intelligence does not get old. It is present at 100% all the time. That doesn't mean your body is expressing it, though, at 100%. The pathway matters, and that pathway is the nervous system. It must be clear, because when it is interfered with, the message becomes distorted and nothing works as it should. The bigness is still big, but the communication from it is small. My job's not to heal you. My job is to clear that path so your bigness can come through. Dorothy searched for the answer somewhere out there. But the power she needed had been with her all along. The world will keep us pointing out there to that next fad, gadget, pill, potion, or lotion. But the bigness you truly need has been within you all along. Because when it comes to health, there is no place like home.